Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have taken up the poem "My Mother" by APJ Abdul Kalam. It was a beautiful poem. We have completed it, and in this poem, we have studied that the poet loved his mother so much, and he has devoted this whole poem to his mother. He has told in this poem that how his hardships were changed into tenderness by her mother, how everything was changed, every tough thing was changed into a comfortable thing by his mother. Now we will take up the exercise, understanding the poem. As the poet thinks of his mother, several things flash across his mind. Write those images in the web chart below. So first is it is example given sea waves, and then I have written golden sand, then pilgrim's faith, and then Rameshwaram mosque street. You will feel these things likewise in your book. Then the poet has beautifully described some personal qualities of his mother. These are the personal qualities of his mother. In the table given below, column A has a list of qualities and column B has the extracts from the poem that suggest those qualities. Match the columns. Some words are given in italics to help you. Now, helpful. Shared your best with whoever needed the most. So that means she was helpful. Understanding. Who knew? You knew the pain of your child, means she was understanding because she was able to understand the pain of her child. Religious. You always gave and gave with faith in him. In him means in God. Religious. We had done. Tender. Your caring and hand tenderly remove the pain. Now this is a question for you to do in your no, in this book only. The poet's childhood days were full of struggle. We have studied that in the poem. In the initial stanzas, we have studied about the hardships, struggles. Find out a few things that the poet had to do in his childhood to help the family. So here you are supposed to write few things that the poet has done to help his family. You can get help from your poem. Now, part D. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follows. These two questions I have solved in the book only. There isn't any need um, to go to the assignment section for these questions, but these questions are very important and they need to be done in the notebook because these are extract based questions and they used to come in your examination for sure. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Miles to walk, hours before sunrise. These are three lines they are given. Now, who are you and me in the above line? You is mother and me is poet. So you will answer this question. I have written it in short form. You will write in a proper manner. Identify the figure of speech in the first line and explain. So, figure of speech is simile. But what is simile? Simile is a poetic device or a figure of speech that is used to compare things. And when we compare things, we use words like as and like. Like you come to me like. Here the word like is used. It is a comparison. It is a comparison. Mother's comparison with heaven's caring arms with the use of word like. So this is simile. Okay. Mention two things that made the poet's life difficult. War. War and earning livelihood for the family. Poet used to help his family by distributing newspapers with his cousin. Why did the poet have to walk so much early in the morning? So the poet had to walk so much early in the morning to study. Firstly, he used to go to take lesson from a saintly teacher, then he used to go to Arab teaching school. Now, all this pain of young boy, my mother you transformed into pious strength with kneeling and bowing 5 times. So, who is the young boy? The poet. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the young boy. What pain is he talking about? Pain of doing so much hard work. He is talking about the pain of doing so much hard work. In this way, you will write your answer, not in the short form like I have written in the book. What was this pain transformed into? This pain was transformed into pure strength. How did this transformation take place? This transformation takes place by by the prayers of the mother. Now, what do you understand by kneeling and bowing 5 times? It is a method of doing prayers in Islam religion. They used to bow and kneel 5 times a day. So, a prayer performed by people of Islam religion. That means kneeling and bowing 5 times. They used to call it namaz. Thoughts, लाइफ स्किल्स वैल्यूज़ हो से क्वेश्चंस जो भी इसमें से करने हैं दे विल बी गिवन इन योर DAV वेबसाइट असाइनमेंट स्लॉट. नाउ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइटिंग स्किल. Mother evokes powerful emotions in everyone. This writing skill is very very interesting, new thing for you, very nice. Think about your mother and write a short poem about her, thanking her for everything she does for you. Writing a poem, if you will think in your mind, if you are a beginner, if you write poems then it is very good, but if you are a beginner it is quite difficult for you. So I will give you a hint how to write a poem. It's very interesting thing. What you can do, in your notebook you can put a circle, right? Put a circle. I am taking this picture and in that circle write mother. Fine. So whatever qualities comes in your mind about your mother you can write. Suppose care, that comes in your mind, care, love, kindness, responsibility, and so many other. Fine. Write those words 5 6 7 जितने भी वर्ड्स आए तुम्हारे माइंड में, राइट दोज वर्ड्स. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू, सपोज वी हैव राइट हियर केयर. This is a quality that came in our mind when we think about our mother. Then in bracket you can write a rhyming word for care, that is share, right? Care, share. You got two rhyming words, then you can form lines from them. My mother is full of care. She everything she used to share. हो गई ना 2 lines. My mother is full of care. Everything she used to share. Likewise, you can write all the lines and you can form the poem. It is a very interesting manner of doing it. These writing skills are very important. So write them in your notebook properly, and that method I have told you, and you can use that method in the fair notebook only you can write that. Fine. Now about the author. Late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in 1931 and he died in 2015. Was the President of India from 2002 and to 2007. Popularly, he was known as the Missile Man of India. He was known for his dedication to science and commitment to professional excellence. Dr. Kalam had a multi-faced personality. So he was multi-talented and he was known as the Missile Man of India because of his contribution in the field of science and science. Besides being a scientist and a humanist, he was also an excellent writer. He was so multi-talented that he was a writer also. He wrote Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds. These are his popular books. The poem My Mother has been taken from Wings of Fire. If you have ever get chance to read it, this book you can read. It is available in our school library also. When schools will open, you can go to the library and take up this book to read. Thank you students. Have a nice day.